SLAYER started with one mission, and that's to make coffee better. Born in 2007 to challenge the status quo by listening to our community and activating change, SLAYER is for baristas, techs, roasters, and everyone striving to make coffee better. We're always considering these people because we are those people. SLAYER espresso machines are designed and crafted in Seattle, Washington in the USA. And there are two main product lines, the Espresso and the Steam. The Espresso is the ultimate coffee professional's tool. This unashamedly manual machine comes in single group, 2 group, and 3 group configurations, which is the machine that the company was founded upon in 2007. We also have the Steam series, which is designed to consistently deliver the highest quality results in busier environments. And within the Steam line, we have the EP, which is the ultimate espresso workhorse. We have the LP, which is the barista's dream machine. And now we have the brand new SLAYER Steam Single. And this brings all of the beloved features of the Steam LP into a much smaller footprint. You can easily pull manual shots, shift in between flow rates, record that recipe once you're happy with it, and then play it back all day. A dedicated pre-infusion circuit allows us to gently saturate our coffee beds for more balanced and consistent extractions. And now, for the first time ever, we have an internal water reservoir for easy plug-and-play installation. So these videos are going to give you everything you need to know to get started with the Steam Single. We'll talk about how to set up the machine, the features of the machine, and how to get the very best from it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.